Disasters strike suddenly. We can't predict when a hurricane will make landfall or when wildfire will race through our neighborhoods. Floods can occur with little warning, turning streets into rivers. These events are becoming increasingly common, making preparedness not just a good idea, but a necessity. Imagine facing a natural disaster without the means to survive. It's a frightening thought, but one that highlights the importance of having a well-stocked survival kit. This kit can be a lifeline, providing essential supplies until help arrives or you can safely return home. Preparation offers more than just physical resources, it provides peace of mind. Knowing you have a plan and the means to execute it can reduce fear and anxiety during a crisis. This clarity allows you to make better decisions, potentially saving yourself and your loved ones. Remember, being prepared isn't about living in fear. It's about taking responsibility for your safety and that of your family. It's about facing uncertainty with confidence, knowing you have the tools to weather the storm. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you real-time coverage of the planet's most powerful and unpredictable forces. Building a survival kit is a personal endeavor. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. However, some basic principles apply to every kit. First, choose a sturdy, waterproof container. A large backpack or a plastic tote with a secure lid works well. Next, consider your family's specific needs. Do you have young children, seniors, or anyone with medical conditions? Their needs should be factored into your kit's contents. Remember, a survival kit is about sustaining life in the immediate aftermath of a disaster. Your goal is to include enough supplies to last for at least 72 hours, preferably longer. Water is your top priority. Aim to store 1 gallon of water per person per day. Choose commercially bottled water or fill reusable containers. Remember to replace your water supply every 6 months to ensure freshness. Food comes next. Opt for non-perishable items that require no cooking, such as energy bars, canned goods, and dried fruits. Consider taste preferences, especially for children, to make the experience less daunting. A first aid kit is crucial. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures to be prepared for common injuries. A hand crank weather radio is essential for staying informed. Choose a model with an alert feature to receive emergency broadcasts. Pack extra batteries for any battery-powered devices. While the essentials are crucial, consider adding extras for greater comfort and preparedness. Light. A headlamp frees your hands and is more efficient than a flashlight. Look for one with a red light setting to preserve night vision. Fire waterproof matches and a fire starter are essential for boiling water and cooking. Practice using them beforehand. Tools. A multi-tool with a knife, pliers, and screwdriver can be invaluable in various situations. Hygiene. Include hand sanitizer, toilet paper, and wet wipes for sanitation. Shelter. A tarp and some rope can be used to create a makeshift shelter if needed. Remember, your survival kit is an investment in your safety. Keep it accessible and review its contents every 6 months. Replace expired items and update it as your needs change. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you up-to-date information about the catastrophic events occurring around our world. To stay updated, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be safe, everyone.